Massive war of words has erupted after Beni Prasad Verma called SP Chief Mulayam Singh a friend of terrorists. Angry over his outrageous remark, the SP Chief has not just demanded an immediate apology from the central minister, but also his resignation from the post.
But taking the fight further, Union Minister Beni Prasad has hit back at Mulayam. He says that the SP Chief has no right to demand his resignation.
आपने कहा मुलायम सिंह आतंकवादियों के संरक्षक हैं, आप आए अपने बयान पे।
साक्षी महाराज, कल्याण सिंह मोदी और बीजेपी,
मुलायम सिंह का
RSS का जो अध्यक्ष हुआ था, मुख्यमंत्री थे, सबको स्टेट का दर्जा दिया।
मुलायम सिंह ने कहा माफी मांगे,
निकालने की मांग की।
अरे उनके ऐसी वही मुख्यमंत्री बनाए। चलो,
वो कह रहे माफी मांगे, आप माफी तो नहीं मांगेंगे?
माफी मांगे जो उन्होंने देश साथ गद्दारी की।
मौलाना अब्दुल कलाम को भूल गए, पूरे देश के आज़ादी के लड़ाई के मौलाना को भूल गए।
ठीक,
ये भूल गए।
ठीक है, अभी
अरे कहाँ है, भूल गए, इनको मौका दो।
अच्छा ठीक है, तो अब उनको बोलने दीजिए। ठीक है, बोल।
कौन नहीं जानता है? अच्छा, ये क्या बोलेंगे? इनकी क्या औकात है जो बोलेंगे?
तो
क्या समझ सही है?
तो उनको बोलना है ना, आप कह रहे हैं ना, तो उनको खड़ा किया।
हम बोलेंगे गलत, गलत बोलेंगे। अगर ये
अगर सुनेंगे नहीं,
मंत्री जी से सुनना चाहते हैं आप कि नहीं?
सच कड़वा होता।
इनको मौका दिया जाएगा।
हम चाहते हैं कि खेद व्यक्त करें इस बात में।
खड़े हैं, क्या कह रहे
हैं? सुने तो
बोलने दीजिए ना, उनको क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं?
अपराध बेईमानी तुम्हारा पेशा है। सबसे बड़ा अभिशाप है इस प्रदेश के लिए मुलायम सिंह यादव। मायावती भी लुटेरी थी, लेकिन ये लुटेरा और गुंडा दोनों है। कैसे बचाओगे अपने प्रदेश को? कैसे बचाओगे अपने प्रदेश को? आतंकवादियों से इसके रिश्ते हैं। बेनिफिसार में मरवा डालोगे, 100 बेनिफिसार का और पैदा होगे। अभी तुम्हारा आखिरी कार्यकाल है।
Well, that was the original comment from Beni Prasad Verma, which has triggered this entire storm in the parliament today. He had said that the SP Chief Mulayam Singh is a friend of terrorists, among other allegations that he levelled against him today in the parliament, in the Lok Sabha. The SP demanding an apology from Beni Prasad Verma and also his removal as a union minister. But just a short while ago, as we caught up with the minister in the eye of the storm, he sticks to his stand, in fact refusing to apologise and saying categorically that it was not Mulayam who appointed him as a central minister, so he cannot ask for his removal. Tavleen Singh on the phone with us now. Tavleen, a huge controversy in Parliament today. We see heated exchanges, a major embarrassment really for the Congress government with this latest comment from Beni Prasad.
Yes, a major embarrassment for the Congress government, specifically after what Beni Prasad Verma said and accused Mulayam Singh Yadav of. Saying that, he's harboring terrorists, he is a friend of terrorists. And remember, this particular statement was made on Saturday, Tina, when Beni Prasad Verma was in his constituency, where he talked about how Mulayam Singh Yadav is, somewhere or the other, a friend of terrorists. This particular statement was then once again repeated in Lok Sabha just a short while ago, when Mulayam Singh Yadav himself got up in the House and demanded an apology. In fact, wanted the government to remove Beni Prasad Verma from the government, his dismissal from the government as far as the statement is concerned, because Mulayam Singh Yadav reportedly had held, a meeting on Sunday, but he had said that if the fact that I'm working for a Muslim does not mean, that I am with the terrorists. So this heated debate has now erupted in the floor of the House in Lok Sabha, which is why, the House was adjourned till 2 p.m. As far as the Congress is concerned, till now we have not heard any, comment or statement from the Congress as yet. But Samajwadi Party in full mood not to let this down and demanding Beni Prasad Verma's resignation, whereas Beni Prasad Verma statement saying that he hasn't said anything wrong. In fact, going ahead to call Mulayam Singh Yadav a traitor.
Well, Tavleen, of course, this is intensifying this war of words as we move forward in the day. But really, the big question is that Beni Prasad Verma doesn't seem to be in a mood to apologize. He's sticking to his ground. He's in fact done a U-turn and said Mulayam Singh is nobody to ask for his resignation.
Yes, that is correct. And the statement after, he had made the statement first in his constituency just a little, 2 days back, then today at the floor of the House, repeating that particular statement, creating a pandemonium in the House by, obviously, from angry Samajwadi Party leaders as well as Mulayam Singh Yadav. But Beni Prasad Verma, when the House was adjourned, Radhika, he had come out and said very categorically that he said nothing wrong. He's sticking to his statement. There's no way that he will withdraw his statement. We now really have to wait and see how the government or the Congress leadership, deals with this issue, because as of now, we've not heard any words from the Congress party about Beni Prasad Verma. Will he apologize? Will he take his words back? That really remains to be seen.